Hey and welcome back to Spirit Fashion! My name is Aniela and in today's video I'm going to show you how to thrift fabric leftovers into cute color. Like, subscribe and let's begin sewing! Color, outer fabric and lining. 1 on fold, additional interfacing to your neckline. And cut bias tape. With right sides together, pin your collar with lining. And sew all the way around on the outer part of your collar, 1 cm from the edge. To prevent bulking of your fabric, clip on roundings with your scissors, but do it carefully to not cut your seams. And turn your collar right side out. Optional, you can top stitch all the way around the seams in center. Give a good press with your iron. And top stitch the outer part of your collar as is shown in the video, half centimeter from the edge. I recommend to top stitch the center part of your collar half centimeter or 1 centimeter from the edge to prevent your inner collar from stretching during attaching and sewing the bias tape. With right sides together, pin your bias tape in half. And pin your collar in half too. Then pin your bias tape to your collar with right sides together. Start pinning from the center of your collar. And sew 1 centimeter from the edge. Now you can cut out the excess of your fabric and start folding your bust 1 centimeter inside and again fold in half and repeat the process all the way around. And sew a straight stitch half centimeter from each of your bust tape. And voila, your new accessory collar neckline is ready. To keep your collar in place, you will tie your cute bow on the front of the neckline. And of course, you can wear this collar in 2 ways, on the right side or on the left side. This collar you can sew for any fabric you like, and it's super easy beginner friendly project too. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you in the next one!